Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are the main chapters which I have covered for this restoration, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing. And in that, today we are in part 2 unboxing the wiring harness. You can check other videos in the playlist and also in the description. And this is the wiring harness. The manufacturer is Swiss Auto Components like or Private Limited, and they are from New Delhi and manufacturing more than 40 years. A label mentions that they are a trusted company with 40 years of experience, and at the side it is the spec like a wiring harness DOS 12A usable for Suzuki 12 volt DC KS. DC means direct current, and KS for Kickstarter vehicles. And there is no self start in Max 100, but the wiring may be common. And coming inside, it is packed well. The same spec is placed here, and the label is also placed here. And I bought this for 590 rupees in Chennai in 2022. And the manufacturing year of this wiring harness is also 2022. And there is a zip tie, a zip lock, and if you open that, you can get access to that wiring harness. And one more thing, if you are going to update your switch gears or the speedometer console, like for fuel indicator, the engine kill switch, the indicators, the pass light and other things we are upgrading, then you can go with the Samurai, the Shogun or the Shaolin one for the wiring kit. And it may cost accordingly, because some sockets and wires others would may come, so the price may little vary. Talking about this is of normal quality. When compared to the OEM, this is nothing, but this is what it is available now. Like where the original stands is like the sleeve of the copper wire. The quality and the socket, the wrapping, the tape wrapping, or all the outstanding performance of the OEM parts. And this is the fuse for the 12 volt battery. And see you in other videos. Check the description for more videos, and bye.